Hi, my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee, and you are viewing the How To Lady. We do a lot of things on this channel, DIYs, life hacks, but it's all related to how we do it and how it's going to make our lives easier. At any rate, we have an exciting one for you today, so if you're ready, let's get into it. Today, we're going to do a DIY or a life hack that can be done in a snap. Hi, my YouTube friends. As indicated in the introduction, yes, we're coming back with another hack that can be done in a snap. Any way we can make our lives easier, the better. So the last time I was here, I think I shared with you a makeup container that you can use to keep in your suitcase. So therefore you don't have to pack all of those small things like your various toiletries and makeup and toothbrush, hair gel, all those things just in one container that you keep packed and just put it in your suitcase and it's there and that's one less thing to pack. So today we're back with another little cool idea. These were little bags that I got from a local store. You know, you can find them anywhere, Target, Walmart, you name it, you can find it there. These little Ziploc makeup containers. And basically all I do is use these containers to house not just makeup, but also, my nail stuff. So when I get ready to travel, or if you want to store it like this, you can. My nail products, my file. I can even put a little small bottle of polish remover in here. Zip it up, it's ready to go. I use another one to store if I'm traveling, my mouthwash, all my dental hygiene products, toothpaste, toothbrush, store it right into the pack. It fits, it's big enough, perfect, zip it up, it's ready to go. If you want to store hair products, my hairpins, I might need a little mirror, nail clipper. Zip it right up, you're ready to go. So if you want to go with something that's more floral, you can do that. However, what I like about this versus this is this one is plastic. So if something spills on it, it's going to repel that moisture. However, with this one, it is cloth. Though the inside is plastic, the outside can get wet and it may damage the actual bag. But you can get many designs and just put them in these various containers, and these containers can just slip right into a larger plastic bag that you can keep stored in your suitcase. So therefore you won't have to pack these things if they're already packed. As I've heard often, not only from my mom and my grandmother and other people in my lives, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So let's get ready. DIY and hack that was done in a snap. Let's do it, y'all. Many of the makeup bags come in a variety of colors and styles. The main objective is to determine which bag works best for your needs. Thank you for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.